Unboxing of the iPhone 14 Plus. For some reason, Apple decided to release this version of the iPhone 14 a little bit later than the others. No unboxing knife is needed for this. Go ahead and pull this tab out. And we'll have a real quick look at this device. And let's just get right into it. So not much in the box. So you can see I decided to go with the Starlight colorway. That's nice. Ooh. Oh yeah, this is pretty nice. Okay, I'm gonna put the phone to the side for now. And in the box, you know, you get the usual, pretty much similar to the iPhone 14 Pro Max. You get your cable here for charging, etc. And you get your documentation here. Let's go ahead and we'll have a real quick look. And then here, you no longer need a physical SIM if you're in the United States. And you get your Apple sticker. It would be cool if the Apple stickers matched the phone. Like this one is the Starlight, so you get the white sticker. You know, if you have the product red, you get a red sticker, etc. You know, that would have been cool, but I don't think they do that for the other colors though. So anyway, let me just go ahead and put this back together real quick. Put that to the side. And then here it is. The Starlight colorway. And yeah, this is a beautiful, it's almost kind of like a creamy snow white. I don't know if that makes any sense. Yeah, the frame here. Yeah, it's definitely not like, it definitely has like a warm tone to it. It kind of like a platinum color, I guess. Yeah, this is nice though. I am digging it. Very nice. All right, let's go ahead and take this off. We all know what the screen looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on. There it is. All right, let's go ahead and compare it to, since I have it here, this is the 14 Pro Max in the purple. So take a look at that. Very similar in size, actually. I'll put it side by side here, and very similar in size. I don't know what the exact dimensions are, but have a look. Obviously with the 14 Plus, or just the 14, you get the dual camera setup. You don't get that third lens that you do with the 14 Pro Max. I'd say the 14 Plus feels a little bit lighter, but that could be just me. All right, let's go ahead and breeze through the setup. Set up manually. Gonna go ahead and connect to my Wi-Fi. It may take a few minutes to activate your iPhone. And we are in. This is the 256 gig model, and fresh out the box, phone uses about 15 gigs, not bad. And fresh out the box, this does come with iOS version 16.0.1. This will probably update to 16.0.2. So yeah, let's go ahead and fire up the camera real fast. And let's go ahead and, you know, just take a picture of a random item here. Go ahead and take a picture of the 14 Pro Max. Take a picture of that in the 1X and in the half. I'll go ahead and put that in the video. Go ahead and change this to the 4K 30 frames. Go ahead and record a quick video. All right, this is a real quick video test of the iPhone 14. This is recording in 4K 30. As you can see, this is the 0.5x, you know, ultra wide. I'm gonna go to the 1. And there you go. So you can see that's the 14 Pro Max on the table. So anyway, just a real quick video test here. This is filming in 4K 30. Let me know how the picture looks, how the audio sounds. Peace out. All right, there you go. That was just a real quick video. Let's go ahead and compare the displays real quick. Now, the display size is actually very similar. I think they're both 6.7 inches. However, in person, I'm looking at it right now. I don't know. It seems like I thought the 14 Pro Max was a little bit bigger, but they look about the same. Obviously, with the 14 Pro Max, you get the LTPO, you get the always on display, you get the 120 Hertz, you get the dynamic island, that kind of design, whereas you don't get any of those in the 14 or the 14 Plus. However, some of you might actually prefer the notch design over the dynamic island. Again, let me know in the comments. But yeah, just a real quick comparison of the display. 14 Pro Max does get brighter. I think it's 2000 nits versus this one. What is it, like 1200 nits or something like that? Let me know in the comments the exact number. If you're not nitpicky, if you don't need 120 hertz display or always on display or anything like that, the 14 Plus display should be plenty usable. I'd have to say I do like this color. I'm very happy with the decision I made to go with this. It's either going to be this one or the blue one. Decided to go with the Starlight, and I am not disappointed. It's a beautiful color. Anyway, let me know what you want me to do with the iPhone 14 Plus in the comments down below. Speed tests, camera tests, durability tests, etc. versus the iPhone 14 Pro Max, Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, the Z Flip 4, OnePlus 10, OnePlus 10T, etc. The upcoming Google Pixel 7. Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.